Welcome to Robindale Avenue. I'm about to share with you this charming 3-bedroom 1950s semi-detached property. Families loved it for over 65 years, but now it's time to move it on for a new family to create their memories here too. I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why this house is such a good buy. Let's kick off with number 1. Number 1 has got to be the south-facing garden. Just imagine enjoying the sun all day long, barbecues, family gatherings. So number 2 for me has got to be the potential. Based on what the neighbours have done, there's opportunities to go into the loft, over the garage, obviously subject to planning approval, but it looks like there's great scope for it. So before we get into number 3, check out the ground floor. Number 3 has to be the ample parking. Here you can get 3 cars, nice and easy. And number 4 has got to be this open plan setup here on the left of the property with these 2 reception rooms open by this archway, so I can see some really great entertaining and socialising with the family. And before I share my 5th reason, have a look around upstairs. Number 5 has to be its location. Half a mile, you're at Earley Station. 5-minute walk, you are at Loddon Primary, and then just 15-minute walk, you get to the well-renowned, excellent Ofsted rated Maiden Erlegh school. So if you like what you see, we'd love to show you around this property. Just get in contact with one of the team at the office or me on my mobile, and we look forward to meeting you here.